wrong side of town. They look down their noses at you like they're entitled to keep you down. Our street has its social issues and violent crime by the bucket load. They laugh when they named it Harmony Road. They say where you're born will have an effect on how you turn out in life. So how can you make a living when all you have is a pocket knife? You don't have the choice to run from another violent episode. Welcome to life here on Harmony Road. One day we'll make a break. Get out of here, make no mistake. We'll steal a car, find a happy song on the radio, and never come back to Harmony Road. You walk down the hill and past the old factory shuttered for 20 years. There used to be work, but you wonder how you'll ever get out of here. If I had a song in me, I would pay off all of the debts I owed. I'm all out of tune on Harmony Road. I'll find us some money and I will take you with me, I promise you. I'll buy you some fancy clothes and we'll do all the things we wanted to. And no one will know that we're any different, we're just out of mode. The king and the queen of Harmony Road. One day we'll make a break from here. We'll make it big and have no fear. Won't carry the social stigma of being judged by our postal code. And we will be done with Harmony Road. But then in our dreams are we to be haunted by what we